It is a cold and rainy and all around miserable day here in Hampton, but that is not going to stop me from sharing with you my newest listing here at 15 Sweet Gum Place. My name is David Tortolini. I'm with EXP Realty, and this is a 3-bed, 2.5-bath townhome that's just under 1,500 square feet in the neighborhood of Hampton Woods. Makes it one of the largest homes in the community. This is a fantastic location, whether you're military going to Langley Air Force Base or heading to Sentara Hospital. Great amenities all around. So I'm going to tour you through the home, and then stick around after that. We'll jump on the map and I'm going to show you everything that's in this area, show you all around and why this should be your next home. When you're ready to take a look at it, you can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to show it to you. All right, let's go check it out. Alrighty, we're on the map now, and I'm going to show you what is around our property here at 15 Sweet Gum. So I'm going to zoom on in here, and this is our townhome for sale right here in Hampton Woods. So this neighborhood here is all of Hampton Woods. And what you're going to see first is the neighborhood does have a pool and tennis courts and clubhouse, and there's a little playground over there. So really great. These are only a couple hundred yards from the house. They get good and busy during the summer months, so it's really nice to have that right down the street. And furthermore, up at the top of the street, really you don't even need to leave your neighborhood, and you've got a Food Lion grocery store, you've got a Subway, a gas station, Taco Bell, McDonald's. So you've got some stuff really just at the top of your neighborhood here that makes it so convenient to just go about your daily life and get some of the little things done, particularly something like grocery shopping. Having that a quarter mile up the street is pretty great. So if we back out a little bit, we can take a look at the major employers in the area. So if you are going to be stationed at Langley Air Force Base, that's right here. So you're really only looking at about a 7-minute drive or so up to Langley Air Force Base. Sentara Hospital is a huge employer for people who live in this neighborhood, and that's right here. So you're really looking at just kind of shooting out and coming down along here on Hampton Road Center Parkway, and you're right there at Sentara Hospital, or maybe you're at the Newport News Shipyard. So that's right down here. It's about a 15-minute drive, so not bad at all to there. Or even if you're up at Fort Eustis, because it's all highway and you can jump on the highway so fast, that's still maybe a 20-minute drive. So very easy to get to the major employers here in the area. So just a very nice, convenient place to be, especially because this is so easy to get on the highway. You just drive right out here, come up, a couple of turns, and boom, right on the highway, regardless of which direction you need to go. So really nice there. You're also close to tons of shopping and dining options. So I mentioned, we got the little fast food places up at the top of the street. But over here, you have an AMC theater. So this is a great movie theater. It's got the big reclining chairs. It has a full bar. This is definitely one of the two best movie theaters on the peninsula. So that's great. You've got a Plaza Azteca, super popular place to go for a margarita after work. And you even have things like in here, like you've got a great Funplex trampoline park. So if you have little kids, this is an awesome place to bring them. It's super popular. You see it's a 4.9 on there. That's pretty good. So, and even like you got a gym here too. So really nice to have these things just a couple minutes away. And if you come back where we were at with Sentara, this is the Coliseum area, Coliseum district, and there's tons of shopping and dining in this area. This area down here is the Peninsula Town. It's called Peninsula Town Center. So this is really like the premier kind of outdoor mall area in Hampton. And you've got great restaurants like Park Lane. You got First Watch, Mission Barbecue, Green Turtle. You got a Five Guys. I mean, it goes on and on. You got Mexican, Buffalo Wild Wings. It is extremely popular area. You got McAllister's, Chicken Salad Chick. This is a huge Target. So you're really just filled with a lot of dining options and shopping galore. You want to come over to this plaza. You've got an At Home, which is just filled with all the random goodies that you need to fill up your home. Lots of, you got a great Planet Fitness over here. So really just everything you could imagine is on Mercury Boulevard. So Mercury Boulevard is the main road that runs through Hampton that just has all the things on it. So no matter what you're looking for, it's probably around here somewhere in Hampton. So really just a convenient location to get to all sorts of great stuff. And there's so much more to do if you're looking for some outdoor activities. You've got golf course, Hampton Golf Course right up here. It's Sandy Bottom Nature Park. So you have miles of hiking trails here. You can go around the lake and out into the woods. When you're in these trails, like when you're in these spots, you have no idea that you're in a big city at all. So a really great way to get away from kind of the hustle and bustle of Hampton. You want to get down to the beaches. It's about 15 minutes down to Fort Monroe. So this is decommissioned military base, has great, beautiful beaches. These little crescent-shaped beaches are really nice, especially if you have little kids, because there's not much of a tide there. So really great spot. Got a great restaurant like the Dead Rise. Got an awesome brewery in Ouzelfinch right here. So you've got these really wonderful beaches you have access to here, or you can go up the street a little bit up to Buckrow Beach, which is like the larger, more established beach here in the Hampton area. So really cool, awesome location, going to be surrounded by easy access to get to shopping, get to work, get to activities. So doesn't really matter what you're looking for. This is, a fun, busy part of Hampton to be in. Going to be really convenient to a lot of the things that you need if you're moving into the area. All right, so if you are interested in taking a look at the home, or you're interested in checking out anything else in the area, you can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to help you out. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone else you know who may be moving to the Hampton area, and then subscribe to this channel to see some of my other videos. Okay, my name again is David Tortolini. Appreciate you watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.